Are your indoor plants hungry?
Feed me.
Most plants need a certain amount of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in order to thrive. And while many people water their indoor plants, they oftentimes neglect to feed them.
Feed me.
But you don't have to run to the store to get an artificial plant fertilizer. All you need is a banana and some water. Just place the banana peel and then a little water into a blender, and then puree the peel. And then you can strain the liquid out. If your water takes on a new coloration, you know you're good to go. Then you can add this mixture to each of your indoor plants. The potassium in your banana peel helps your plants move water and nutrients between the cells, strengthening the plant. It also contains calcium, which helps the plants absorb more nitrogen, which is essential to process the potassium. And banana peels also contain magnesium, which aid your plant in photosynthesis through the production of chlorophyll. Whew, that's a mouthful. Your plants want to thrive, not just survive, so start feeding them today. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.